I'm going to show you guys on how you can change the header font or the title font in DuckDuckGo. So it is really easy. So let's get right into it. Just look at the lower bar where you can see multiple options over here and tap on the three-dot button at the corner. And once you do so, you need to find settings, which should be right below downloads. And once you tap here, you would see the option of private search right below default browser. Once you tap here, now tap on more search setting. And at the top, you can see options like general, appearance, privacy, and AI pictures. Just go ahead and tap on appearance. Scroll all the way down till you find the option that says title font. So you can see it right over here. Just tap over here and now select the font that you would like. So you can either choose to Helvetica, Proxima Nova, Sans Serif, Serif, Times, and more. So in this way you would successfully be able to change the header font or the title font in DuckDuckGo. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.